Welcome to the JLL News, starting with Jose Morales, Jose Ponce, and Lupita Mora.
Hi, I am Lupita Mora, and I will be showing you how the Hurricane Rita is going to go into Texas and part of Louisiana. As we see here, we see that the eye is around right there. We see this part being the most dangerous at about 175 miles per hour. More towards the red, as we see, those are about 150, less, not much of a difference. This is a Category 5 hurricane. As we see, we're going to go up between Texas and Louisiana and go more into this part of the U.S. This is practically the same picture, but just in a more close-up vision and in a different angle. We see here that this part is mostly able to touch this right here. Okay, and as we see here, this part is about, let's see, I don't know how long, but it's pretty dangerous. Okay, here's the chart and the scale and how we classify hurricanes. We classify them by source surge, the damage level, the pressure, and the speed winds. And as we see here, we're in Category 5 since it's 175 degrees miles per hour. I'm so sorry. I'm so nervous about this. I don't even know what I'm going to tell y'all. Anywho's, there's another way of seeing it, simpler. Instead of a chart, just write it down. This is a picture that just came in from part of Louisiana. And as we see, this hurricane is coming in from the Gulf of Mexico. As we see, it's barely hitting it. This came in about an hour and a half ago. We're trying to keep you the most informed as we can. Here's how the path of the hurricane's been so far. We see at a Category 1, then 2, and then 3 in part of Florida. We go over and we still see part 5 right in the middle, and then more towards the U.S. at 5, which is right now. This is basically a structure of how it looks from a top view. This right here on top of Florida, this was in a Category 3, and here's the scale so you would like to do stuff with it. This is an angle from the Texas satellite from space. As we see here, this is all the hurricane. Is pretty wide, and it could go into even more winds. And as we see, that is going to be hitting about inland and about 150 miles per hour. And that would be it. And we'll see y'all next time. Hi, I am Lupita Mora from JLL News from Channel 5. And we're going to be interviewing this family to see what they think about Hurricane Rita. Yes, how may I help you? Hi, ma'am. I am Lupita Mora from Channel 5, JLL News. And, ma'am, what is your name?
Miss Patterson.
Mrs. Patterson. Okay, Mrs. Patterson.
Mrs. Patterson.
Mrs. Patterson.
Mrs. Patterson.
Mrs. Patterson. Okay, ma'am. Well, here we're interviewing from the Hurricane Rita. How did your family take this?
I'll be on TV.
Yes, ma'am.
Channel 5?
Yes, ma'am.
I love that channel.
Well, ma'am, thank you. But how did your family take this horrible disaster from last night?
Well, honey, we're on TV. Honey. Shout out to my mom. Honey, we're on TV. We're on TV. Oh my gosh, shout out to my grandma. Yeah, we're on TV.
Yes, ma'am. So how did your family take this horrible disaster?
The aliens are coming, man. The aliens are coming.
Aliens, yes. So how did your family take the hurricane disaster of Rita?
Well, I woke up this morning to get me a little bit of fresh milk, and then it started to rain. And I was like, what is that, a hurricane? And then we hid, oh Lord Jesus, we hid under the bed. We ain't getting no shoes or nothing, Jesus, we hid. Then the hurricane got us. Ain't nobody got time for that hurricane?
Yes, ma'am. Nobody got time for that hurricane. What do you have to say, Jessica, about this story?
Well, I thought I was gonna die.
Anything else? More feelings?
Shout out to my grandma out there.
I hope you're listening to this.
Mom, I bet you're proud of me. You're proud of me too.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for listening to our show. Shout out to my uncle. And then shout out to my. We'll see you. And shout out to my.
And we will have a great night.
Lupita!
Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, I'm so sorry. That didn't happen. We are back to JLL News with Lupita Mora. Let's go interview this young man about the horrible Hurricane Rita. Hi, my name is Lupita Mora from JLL News Channel 5. What is your name, sir?
¿Qué?
Excuse me?
¿Qué?
I think he doesn't speak English.
¿Cuál es Lupe? Ven.
He's calling someone. Okay, we're good. We're good.
Dile que quieres.
Well, I'm Lupita Mora from JLL News Channel 5, and I'm going to interview this young man about her horrible hurricane.
No sé.
He was inside watching TV. Did you get that? Get that. Okay. So, what was he watching at this time?
Cartoons.
Cartoons. Okay. This young man's name?
Francisco.
Okay, Francisco. Get it? Okay. Your name? Ma'am? Oh, okay. Yeah, let's say Guadalupe. Well, thank you for joining us, guys. Okay, let's go. Freaky people. Hi, I am Lupita Mora with your weather forecast.
And I am the camera girl, Lizette.
Ponce.
Yeah.
As we see here, we have a stationary front over here by the northwest, as we see here. It's in a low pressure. We also have temperatures, as you see here. I mean, I don't gotta say them for you because you're smart enough. As we see here right there, that is a warm front that is coming more towards New Mexico and stuff. And then we have a cold front coming down more towards Texas and Florida and like Louisiana and stuff like that. We see here, we see Hurricane Rita going up towards right here. Right here is about a category 4. Not very sure about it. We're still looking that up. Texas is under like a really bad weather storm thing. But yeah, and this is just turning into a regular. It's a small hurricane, but not very big. Maybe a tropical storm. So far, we don't know about that one yet. But so far, that's what we have for this. This is another one that we have. This is like how much snow we can be able to be. We got rainstorm. We have rain and thunderstorms around here. We have severe thunderstorms, like I told you on the back, on this one right there, around Texas. We have severe thunderstorms possible from the hurricane that's coming up. We have high pressure, low pressure, and then over here by the Atlantic Ocean we have high pressure as well. And that would be it for today. So we will see you later. And thank you for the crew of Lupita Mora. Woohoo! We got Petra on her phone over here. And then we got Jose being Francisco. And then we got Lizette on the camera.
Okay.
And we're let me.
No.
There it is. So thank you guys for watching.